friends, and welcome back to Angie Tales. I am Angela, and thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for staying tuned. This is vlog 4. The reason why I love shopping at Du Bois is because you can have the wholesale prices, and that happens when you buy the goods in large number of pieces. So today I am to present to you a few of the items that I actually bought from Brenda's store herself. So without further ado, let's just get right into the items. It's a 24-hour stay setting spray. It's glowy, as you can see. So I really love it. It makes the skin look rich. It makes the skin look expensive. You look alive, you know, and it blots out the excess oils. Like, I'm an oily skin, so anything that will mattify the oil, even if I'm under the sun, I will take it. And this is Dr. Rachel Pink Light Glow and Hydrate. So I love it because of the finish. Next, I have this set of bobby pins. I love lashes. There's something about lashes that, oh wow, beautiful, beautiful. So I got this, this is now one of the items, the major items that actually took us there, because to find really nice, long-lasting lashes is not as easy. Like, the band has to be right. There's the thickness of the band that can either make or break your makeup. You can either get this at 100 or 200 shillings individually, like if you're buying it as a one piece. But as 45 shillings times 6, you do the math, save on those coins, guys, okay? And save as much as you can. So we got this. I got the 6D. I love drama. I'm currently wearing them. So I love drama. I love how my eyes just look awake. I love the vibe they're giving. So this is best for hooded eyes. So I'm going to get into what eye set requires, what set of lashes later. But for now, save those coins. I'll begin with the nail department because I also promised you a nail care video, which is, keep watching the video, is right there. And we start with this Luron nail protector. So this is the, yes, there you go, Luron base coat, like a nail protector. So in the sense of saving coins, I decided that it's not every day that I can afford to go and have my nails done. So some home DIY nail care, and you know, they turn out cute, as you can see, obviously. So this is actually what we bought. So we bought 10 pieces, and we were sold, each was sold at 35 shillings. 35 times 10, that's 350. Technically, when you buy this in retail with 350 shillings, you have bought just 3, because one goes for 100 shillings. So this is a very strong nail adhesive, and the nails are gonna last long. At wholesale, this goes at 35 shillings. Have you heard what I've said? 35. So times all of this. 35 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 times 28. Individually, one piece goes for 50 shillings. Individually. 50. So 35, guys.
Christmas lunch. Nice. How was your fish?
Oh, I ate it hurriedly, such that I didn't even manage to finish.
One minute later.
Yeah,
How's your Christmas lunch?
fantastic.
What are you enjoying?
A Sunday.
Sunday.
You gone? Oh yeah, yeah.